Hi, let's see how to turn a plain fabric into a designer material using simple things like small beads like this, small motifs like this, and we just need a thread and needle and some fabric glue to stick these things. First we have to stick these motifs into in the material using fabric glue. Here I have these things glued onto the material for the sleeve part. Now we have to thread a needle and we have to just sew around 4 small beads. This is how I completed the sleeve part, and for the neck design I've added 3 layers, one of ball chain, one of zardosi and one of stone lace, and I've added the same pattern of motifs here. This is the finished blouse. I've added an extra layer of tube beads and flat beads. I hope you like this idea, and I wish all of you try this on your blouses. Subscribe to Blouse Media, click the like button and click the share button. Thanks for watching.